National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for North Point Lighthouse to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from North Point Lighthouse to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 3:15 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing a waterspout. Strong winds 34 knots or greater and small hail over North Point Lighthouse, moving east-southeast to 10 knots. Other storms capable of producing waterspouts and gusty winds were located south of this storm too near wind point, moving east-southeast to 10 knots. The waterspout will be near nearshore waters around North Point Lighthouse at 1:45 p.m. Mariners can expect possible waterspouts, gusty winds, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. These showers and thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous sea